This is a quick video on the GYTR Yamaha Raptor 700 skid plate. I really haven't found anything online that has a good photo or a good video of it, so hopefully this helps anybody out there who's looking to get one of these. So I just pulled this out of the box. As you can see, it has these little rubber pads here to minimize the vibration. I do like that it has this extra side protection here, as you can see, but I think this gets in the way of certain Nerf bars, so I would recommend going with the GYTR Nerf bar, so that way you get a sure proper fit. I also like that this skid plate has the recessed areas here. That way the Allen bolts don't stick out and get caught on anything. So I think that's a pretty good feature. It's got the drain holes here. So hopefully this helps you guys out. I was going to do an install video, but I'm not really feeling that right now. So maybe after the fact, I'll go through with it step by step. But this is just a quick video to show people out there what a GYTR underbody skid plate looks like. Hope it helps.